10 at night, doing a starter on a Dodge Journey 2014. We're gonna remove all the airbox and stuff, and already loosened this already out the way and remove the hose. We got the starter down here, but I'm not taking it from the bottom. I'm gonna try to get it from the corner and the top up here. Disconnect the power cables from the battery. That way you won't have no issues in the tight spot. The new starter, we got 2 holes right here for the bolts. So looking at this, we got 1 bolt right here that's holding on that ground wire that's running inside the transmission and through the starter. And we got another down low down here. There it go, right on the front of my fingertip. Loose to get the other 15 out. Break apart to kind of pry the starter off because it's kind of seized in here, a little stucky. So you have to push back and then angle the front upwards so you can get it out. That way it can. The power are identical. All right, guys. So we out here doing a start on the 2014 Dodge Journey. It wouldn't crank over. So what we're dealing with is an old frozen up starter that don't want to spin. So I finally got it out, man. I went through it here, finally got it out. Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this wire plugged back in because it doesn't stretch as far and there's not enough room in here. So I have to plug that back in now. And the way I got it out, I just came from the side right here and I tilted. So let me show y'all. So that's how I got it out. I need to get it back in, but first also, I still have to get that wire right here plugged in. That one back there right in front of my finger. I still have to get that wire plugged back in. It's not as long. So let's see. All right, so I'm gonna get it back in here sideways. I'm gonna aim down because that's how I got it out. Aim downwards. Might be able to flip it. Maybe the best bet is to flip it. Yeah, might be my best bet. But if I flip it, hopefully I can turn it back around. That's not how I got it out, by flipping it. So. So they should just slide right in. I'm gonna try to get some of this. Where's it? Okay. So it should just slide right back in between here. There we go. I'll go downwards. Might be able to put it in after. Might be able to plug it in after. This might be able to. Just say it's a tough one. Alright, I'm gonna put the phone down and get back with you guys. Okay, so I found it the best way once you get the starter in to plug that wire back in. Just leave the starter out. You get some leverage down low. If your hands are small enough, you just might be lucky. Like me, my hands are pretty big, so I'll try to work around this damn thing to get this plugged back in. There we go. Yeah, so that's your best bet. Don't have it plugged in, don't have the starter hooked up yet, so you can drop it low, and that way it can be able to get some room to plug it in. All right, now that we got everything put back, got the new starter in. When you're backing out this line with the ground, you are going to run into this transmission dipstick bracket, so you got to finesse it around there. And then taking this out, you got to finesse it also. So if you don't know what you're doing, you might just leave it to the professionals. All right, guys, new starter is in, and I'm about to go test it and make sure everything is good to go. Got the keys. As y'all can see, it is running. Job is complete and job is done. Old starter, man, she's running. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, man. Many more to come, many more contents, projects, and whatnot.